Welcome to AlphaNumericTricks. Today we are going to see the Chapter 6 Square and Square Roots of NCERT Class 8 Maths. Exercise number 6.4. We start the first problem. Find the square root of each of the following number by division method. We have a set 10 problems are there. So we will start with the first problem. 2304. We have to find out the square root of this number by long division method. We will see how to find the square using long division method. You have to do like this, and you have to write the number under this division 2304, and starting from the last you have to take two numbers, okay, and you have to consider this first two number starting from this, and you have to get the square of this number. So 23 is there. So here 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, and 5 5s are 4 4s are 16, and 5 5s are 25. Okay, so here 16, but it is very less, and 25, it is beyond this 23. So we have to take 4 4s are 16. That number you have to write it here. After writing this, you have to subtract this number. So here 16, 23 minus 16 is 7. Okay, 23 minus 16 is 7. You have to write that number here, and then you have to take these two numbers down. Okay, 0 for these two numbers. We have a two numbers you have to take it. So these two numbers you have to write it here, and then after writing this, you have to add these two numbers. 4 plus 4 is 8. That you have to write it here. Okay, that you have to write it here, and then we have to check for the number 704, and numbers ended with 4 you have to take it. So 2 2s are 4. 2 is ended with 4, and next number is 8. 8 8s are 64, isn't it? 8 is ended with 4, and then so we have to take these two numbers here. Okay, so first we take 82, and then for that is 282 is multiplied by 2, and then 80. Next you have to take it with 8. 88 is multiplied by 8. Okay, these two ways we have to do it. 2 2s are 4, and 8 2s are 16. 164 we have, and here we suppose we take it to be 8. Okay, 8 is ended with 4. 8 8s are 64. No, so we have to take it. 8 8 is 64. 4 you have to write it here. 6 you have to write. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 4 you have 70. Okay, so here you have to take 8, and here also you have to take 8. So when you multiplying this, 704. So this number it becomes 0. So here square root of 2304 is 48. This is the way you have to find out the square root of this number using long division method. Okay, now we will see the next problem. What is our next problem? 4489. 4489. So you have to using long division. You have to do the square root of this number 4489. First rule is you have to start from your last. You have to split two numbers. Okay, so here we have to take these two numbers. So first we have to take a square of this number, which is match this. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, and 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49. Okay, so here 49 and 6 6 are 36. So this number matches here. 36 we have to take because 49 is greater than this 44. So you have to take 6 here. Okay, so 6 6 are 36. You have to subtract this number from this. So 36, 40, 44, you have to take 8. 8 is the 44 minus 36 is 8. And you have to take these two numbers down. 89. Okay, and 9 ended with 3, isn't it? 3, and then after that 9 ended with 7 also. 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 49. So you have to take this number. So and before that you have to add these two numbers and write it here. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 is written here, and that number we have to find it out. So for that we have to take either 3 or 7. That is, suppose we take 3 here. So 123, that is multiplied by 3. So we have a 9 and then a 6 and then 3. So this is not matches. And next we have to take 1 2 and here 7 and here also we take 7. 127 into 7. 7 7s are 49. Remaining 4. Write it here. And 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. And remaining you have to write 1. And 1 7s are 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 889, that coincides here. So here you have a 7 and here also you have a 7. So when you multiplying this, you get 889. So this is your 0. When you subtracting this 0, so square root of 4489 is equal to 67. Okay, square root of 4489 is equal to 67. Next problem. Third subdivision is square root of 3481. We had to find it out. So 3481. You have to use long division here. 3481. Starting from last, you have to split two numbers, and here 34. So 34 you have to use the square root. 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36. So it is a greater number, so you have to take 5. Okay, so 5 5s are 25. You have to write it here. What is remaining? 34 minus 25, 9. Okay, so 9, and you have to take these two numbers down. 91. Okay, and you have to add these two numbers. 5 plus 5, you have 10. Okay, and numbers ended with 1, you have to calculate which number is ended with 1. 1, and the next number is ended with 1 is next number is ended with 1, you have to take it to be 9. Okay, 9 9s are 81. 3 3s are 9 is also there. 3 3s are sorry, 3s and squares, you have to take it from squares. 3 is also ended with 1, but 3 7s are 21 you have, isn't it? So that you can't take that. When you're squaring this, it should be 1 is there. 1 1s are 1, 9 9s are 81. Okay, so 1 and 9 only you have. So you have to write it here. 1 is possible. When you write 1 here and here, 101 is there. So you have to take 9 directly. Okay, so 9 9s are 81, and remaining you have 8. Okay, remaining you have 8, and here you have this 9 zeros are 0 plus 8 8 you have, and 1 9s are 9. So here you have minus, subtracting this you get 0. So square root of 3481 is equal to 59. So this is the way you have to find the numbers. Okay, and the square root. Next one, fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision is we have to find out the square root of 529 using long division method. Okay, so we use long division method. You have to write 521 here. Our first step is starting from last number, that is 1's place. We have to combine two numbers, and first we combine these two, and this number is a single number you have. So you have to write 2 2s are 4. You have to use only the squares. Okay, so when using 2 2s are 4, remaining you have 1, and this 29 is taken to down. Okay, and then here you have to take this number. After that you have to add these two numbers. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and here we have to find out the ending numbers. 3 3s are 9. When you're squaring, this number should be ended with 9. 3 3s are 9, and 7 7s are 49. So first we will, because we did little number now, so first we use 3. Okay, 23. 3. So when you're using 3, here you have a 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. So when you're subtracting these two numbers, this becomes 0. So square root of 529 is equal to 23. Okay. Now we pass on to the next problem. Our next problem is we have to find out square root of 3249. Okay, we have to find out square root of 3249. So we will use long division to find out this. 3249. So first step, starting from last numbers, we have to combine two numbers. So here 32 is there. So 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 and 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. And here this is 36 is greater than 32. So we use fifth table. Okay. 5 5 is a square of 5. 5 5 is a 25. Only the condition here is you have to use only the square numbers. Okay. So here we have when you're taking 1 here 12. 12 minus 5 it becomes 7. Okay. And then this 49 you have to take here. Okay. 749. And after that you have to add these two numbers. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay. And then here also the same thing. Last like previous problem, the number ended with 9 is 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. Okay. This is a big number. So anyway we check it 3 that is we have to 1 or 3 here you have to put 3 and here also you have to put 3. No? So 1 or 3 is multiplied by 3. And otherwise suppose you put 7 here, here also you have to put 7 and here also you have to put 7. So 1 or 7 is multiplied by 7. So we check here 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 0. So this is not possible. So only possibility is 7. Okay, so write it here. 7 7s are 49 you have to write. That is 7 7s are 49. 9 you have to write. 4 here you have and 0 is there. So because of that you have to write 49 and 1 7s are 7. So 749 minus 749 it becomes 0. So square root of 3249 is equal to 57. Okay. And then next problem is next subdivision. We have to find out square root of 1369. Square root of 1369. So you have to use a long division to find out the square root of 1369. Starting from last number, you combine two numbers and here 13 is there. 4 4s are 16. So it is not possible. So 3 3s are 9. So 13 minus 9 it becomes 4. Okay. And you have to take the 69 here. So 469. And here again the number ended with 9 now. So you have to use 3 or 7. 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. So both the numbers ended with 9. So you have to either use 3 or 9. Before that you have to add these two numbers. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 and write it here. Okay. And then when you're using third table here, so here 63 into 3. So you have 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. 189 is there, but here you have 469. So only possibility is use 7 here. Okay. 67, 7 7s are 49. 9 you have to write it here. 4 here you have to write. And 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 4 you have 46. When you're subtracting these two numbers, this becomes 0. So square root of 1369 is equal to 37. Okay. And then next subdivision. Next seventh subdivision we have to go, isn't it? Yes. Seventh subdivision. Our seventh subdivision is 5776. Okay. So we have to use long division to find the square root of 5776. Starting from this, you have to split two numbers. And here 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. 8 8 are 64. 64 is not possible. So here the only possibility is 7 7s are 49. So use it here 49 and take 1 here 17 and 17 minus 9 it becomes 10 is 6. When you're putting 1, 10, 10 and 6, 7 you have, isn't it? So 17 minus 9, 8, isn't it? 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay. And 8, this 76 you have to take it here. So 7, 6. And here you have to take the numbers 7 plus 7, you have to write it here, and then you have to find out this number. So what is this number ended with 6? So you have to take it to be 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, isn't it? 4 4s are 16, and 6 6 are 36. 6 is also ended with 6. First we check it out 4. Okay. So 144 into 4. Okay. 144 into 4, you have to check it out. 4 4s are 16, and remaining you have 1 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17, and 1 4s are 4. Okay. 17, and here you have to write 1, and 576 you have, but here you have 876. So only possibility is you have to go for 6. Okay. So 6 6 are 36. 6 you have to write, 3 you have to write it here, and 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27, and 2 you have to write it here, and 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 876 minus 876, it becomes 0. So square root of 5776 is equal to 76. Okay. And then next subdivision. What is our next subdivision? 8th subdivision. 8th subdivision is you have to find out 7921. Square root of 7921. So use L division. Long division, not L division, long division. 7921. So here you have to take it. Here 79 is there. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. So here we have to go for in between. 81 is greater than this 79. So only possibility is you have to go for 8 square. 8 8 are 64. And here 9 minus 4 you have 5, and 7 minus 6 you have 1. 1 5 is there, and you have to take this 21 here. Okay. And then here you have to add these two numbers. So 8 plus 8 you have 16, and 1 is there. 1 is there now. 1's table is 1. 1 is not possible, and 9 9s are 81. A 9th table also there. Okay. 9th table also there. 1 is not possible, so we start with 9 directly. 9 9s are 81, and remaining you have 8, and 54. 6 into 9 is 54. 54 plus 8 is 62. 2 is written here, 6 is written here, and 1 9s are 9. 9 plus 6 you have 15. 1521 minus 1521, it becomes 0. So square root of 7921 is equal to 89. Okay. And the next one, 9th subdivision, you have to go for 9th subdivision. 576. 576. So use long division. 576. Here these two numbers you have to combine, and this is a 2 number. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. Remaining 1 you have, and 76 you have to take it down. Okay. And here 2 plus 2 is 4. And here 6 is 4 4s are 16, isn't it? So use 4 table here, and 4 4s are 16, and remaining you have 1. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 176 minus 176, it becomes 0. So square root of 576 is equal to 24. Okay. And then next, the last subdivision in this. No, another subdivisions is also there. So next one is next subdivision, 10th subdivision. You have 1024. 1024. 1024, you have to use 1024 long division, and here 3 3s are 9. Okay. And remaining you have 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. 24. And 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, and 2 2s are 4. It's the smallest number now, so it goes with 2 itself. So 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. So 124 minus 124, it becomes 0. So square root of 1024 is equal to 32. And then next subdivision, 11th subdivision is 3136. We have to find out the square root of 3136. Use long division. 3136. You have to write these two numbers. You have to combine 31. Isn't it? 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 21, 6 6 are 36. So 6 is not possible because 36 is greater than 31. So you have to use fifth table. 5 5s are 25. 31 minus 25 is 6. So you have a 636. Okay, and then 5 plus 5 you have to write 10. Add these two numbers and write it here. And sixth table, 6 6 are 36 you have. So we have to use the sixth table. 6 6 are 36. 6 you have to write 3 here. 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. And 1 6 are 6. 636 minus 636, it becomes 0. So square root of 3136 is equal to 56. Okay, and the next one, last subdivision in this problem. Last subdivision is 12th subdivision. Okay, 900. Use L division to find out the value of 900. Last two numbers you have to combine. 3 3s are 9, and 9 minus 9 is 0. So you have this, and this is the value 3. But here you have to write 2 zeros. Okay, here 9 minus 9 is 0, and this 2 zeros you have to there. For this 2 0 you have to put 1 0 here. Okay, for this 2 zeros we have to put 1 0 here. So square root of 900 is equal to 30. Okay, square root of 900 is equal to 30. That's all for this video. If you have any doubts, please provide in the comment section. And if you want some other topics, please provide in the comment section. I'll make a video and upload it. Thank you.